Hello, hello, hello. We are here in the beautiful artistry community in West Palm Beach, and we are about to take a look at this wonderful Michelangelo model. All right, it can go up to 4 bedrooms depending on which options you choose, and it's a little over 4,000 square feet total. All right, let's take a look. Okay. These beautiful doors there. Look at those floors, man. This is, the artistry is one of my favorite communities here in Palm Beach, and the interior designers have done amazing things here, man. This is beautiful, just being able to highlight all of the available options and upgrades, and then really picking the right accents to show off the spaces. So here we have one of the first floor bedrooms. A full bath. It could probably double as, you could use it as an office or something like that, but they have obviously done it as a bedroom. Then as you sort of move into, you have a wonderful wine cellar there. Check that out. That is a beautiful thing there. And the space here is being used as an office, but it could probably be an entertaining space. You could probably do a couple things there. Maybe if you close it off, maybe a movie theater, that type of stuff. So there are a couple different options there. And then here on the other side of the hallway, you have a half bath. Very nice. And a washer dryer. Here on the first floor. First floor. This is actually a ranch style unit, so there is no second floor of this one. I said the first floor. Okay, so here we have another really nice, family area, entertaining. Maybe close it off and you can make it a bedroom or a movie theater, entertaining space, office. And this, to me, is one of the biggest highlights of this. Look at this big open space, like this, a very open floor plan, right? So if you're cooking and you have company, there's it's an unobstructed view from the kitchen to where your company would be sitting, so you can have a conversation and engage and stuff like that while you're prepping food and stuff like that. It's a beautiful breakfast bar, so you got seating right there. So if you're cooking or something like that, or having drinks or anything, the space is just really cool. It's very, very open. I think that's very, very functional, but it's also I just like it. It's very, very nice aesthetically as well. So you have gas stove there, formal dining area. Very, very cool summer kitchen out there, as you can see through the window. And here, so you got a really nice pool area. These homes are very, very much built for whether it's lounging personally or entertaining, or large families, multi-generational households. The folks over at Coulter really put a lot of thought into the development, not only of the location and the community, but the development and the design of each one of these homes and those floor plans. And it really, really shows. And around this corner, we have the owner's suite. How about that? So, beautiful decorations there. Nice view, pool view there. We have that. Here we go. And then we can go into this master bathroom, which is fabulous. Wonderful window treatments, artwork, tub, shower. This is look at this space. Very spacious closet here. Countertops, his or her vanities. Nice lighting. Very, very high ceilings. And notice that the ceilings are consistent throughout, right? So you didn't have one height ceiling in the bathroom and another height ceiling here in the bedroom. Consistent ceiling heights. That's one of those details that a lot of people won't highlight, but see, look at that. Consistent ceiling heights. So you're not going from 9 foot to 12 foot to 2 foot to 3 foot. It's consistent ceiling heights, as well as some nice detail up there too. So again, this is the Michelangelo floor plan. It's a very, very functional floor plan. It's flexible as well. As I said, you know, it can go up to 4 bedrooms. I think it can range from 2 to 4 bedrooms. It's about a little over 4,000 square feet, depending on the options and your lots and stuff like that. So it's definitely a very, very good option here in the wonderful community of Artistry. So before you go, there are a couple of options that are available on the Michelangelo floor plan that I want to share with you. So take a look at this.
Coulter Homes. Homes that are built around you. With the Michelangelo floor plan, there are many available options. Here, you see the base floor plan with the first floor owner's suite and a 3-car garage. If you need more closet space, one popular solution is to add the double walk-in closet option to the owner's suite. Want an additional bedroom? You can convert the club room to a 4th bedroom with a full bath. Or perhaps you would like more storage space. You can change bedroom 3 into a den with a storeroom, which will make the kitchen pantry twice the size. These are just a few of the many options available. With Coulter Homes, the choices are yours.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for taking a look at this video, joining me on this tour here at Artistry in the beautiful community of West Palm Beach. If you or anyone you know is interested in selling a home, please share this video with them or reach out to me. You can click below to schedule some time for us to talk. I am happy to help. My name is Nathaniel Crawford, and I am here to help you achieve your real estate goals. Let's talk soon.